So, you just got your Sunny Cup and Applicator. How exciting. You're doing amazing things for the environment and your period. I'm gonna walk you through most of the steps on how to use your cup and applicator, but be sure to read all use, care, and cautionary instructions before getting started. Here's what you'll find in your package. Your Sunny Applicator, Sunny Cup, and instruction booklet. You'll find your reusable carrying pouch underneath. And don't forget to recycle or compost all of your packaging. Let's take a closer look at your Sunny Cup. You'll notice the lower and higher points of the rim, the base, the grip rings, and the stem. You also have your Sunny Applicator. This part is called the barrel, and this is the pusher. Together, it makes the applicator. You also have this soft tip portion here, which is what you'll insert later. Now let's really get into it. When you first get your Sunny Cup, you need to boil it. So bring a pot of water to boil on the stove and drop in your Sunny Cup, but not your applicator. We'll wash this later. Boil your cup for 5 to 7 minutes. I usually set a timer on my phone and use tongs or something similar to keep it from touching the bottom. And don't forget to let it cool off before touching it. Then you're gonna wash your hands and applicator with fragrance-free mild soap. Be sure to wash your barrel and pusher thoroughly. Also, leaving your applicator wet can actually help with insertion. There are a couple different ways we recommend folding your Sunny Cup for best results. My personal favorite is the Sunny Fold because it folds super thin. Take your cup so you can clearly see the higher and lower parts of the rim. Take the lower part and push it deep inside your cup. Pinch the top of the rim tight like this and grab the excess material and wrap it around itself. Keep this pinched tight, and this is what goes inside your applicator barrel. If you're new to this step may take some practice. Give yourself some time to get the hang of it. And once you're ready, take your folded cup and put it into the applicator barrel until only the stem is slightly sticking out like this. Or if you're struggling to do the Sunny Fold, you can do a punch down fold like this. It may take some extra effort to get the cup inside of the barrel, but a little bit of water or water-based lubricant on the inside of the barrel can help if you're struggling. With the cup folded inside the barrel and the stem slightly sticking out, place a stem in the hole at the top of the pusher, and now it's ready to be inserted. Newbie tip for you, a little bit of water or water-based lubricant on the tip of the applicator can help with insertion. Now, get into a comfy position and relax. Sometimes I'll put one foot up on the toilet or squat, but today I'm gonna sit down. With 2 hands, insert the green tip portion of the applicator into your vagina. Now all of our anatomies are slightly different, so make sure the green tip portion is fully inserted. Your cup should sit slightly lower than a tampon and angle that applicator towards your tailbone. Now, press the pusher into the barrel similar to a tampon. Gently take out the applicator and set it aside to clean later and store in your reusable carrying pouch. While the applicator can help form the seal, you should always double check that your cup is fully open and sealed. You can pinch, twist, run your finger along the base, or very gently grab the stem like this. When your Sunny Cup is positioned correctly, you may notice it's there, but you shouldn't feel any pain or discomfort. And now you're ready to go about your day. You can leave your Sunny Cup in for up to 12 hours because it holds 2 to 5 times more period blood than a tampon. Amazing, right? If you have a super heavy flow though, make sure to check your cup more often. So it's been 12 hours or less and you're ready to take your cup out. Start by washing your hands and then get into a comfy position and relax your muscles. Use your fingers to find the base of the cup. Then pinch the base to break the seal and release the suction. With the base pinched, gently pull down to remove your cup, but don't pull hard on the stem, it's not a pull tab. Dump your period blood out into the toilet, shower, or sink. And voila, you did it. Here's another newbie tip for you. If you're struggling to find your cup, gently push like you're having a bowel movement, but don't strain. You can also use your stem as a guide to find the base of your cup. Still on your period? Wash your Sunny Cup and applicator with fragrance-free mild soap and water. Make sure that the air holes of your cup are clean and cleared before reinserting. Otherwise, wash and dry your cup and applicator and store them in your reusable carrying pouch. Now, if you're new to this, remember you have to boil your cup before each period cycle. Otherwise, you can wash it with fragrance-free mild soap like your applicator between uses, so about every 12 hours or less. Remember to follow all care and cautionary instructions, and that practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, reach out to us, check out our FAQ page, and follow us on socials at Sunny. Now, before you go, thank you so much for your support. Leave us a review and share your thoughts on socials using #PowerToThePeriod and tag us.